you have been trying to make money online here on internet, but it seems like it's not working for you. You have watched a bunch of videos of gurus promising you to get rich overnight by using a certain method, but whenever you try it, you're not making any money. Why making it complicated? I'm gonna make it simple for you. There's a simple method that I've personally used to make money online, and I've also seen more other people using this method to make money for themselves. If you have a phone, you have internet, whether you are a stay-at-home mom, a university student, a dropout guy who is sitting at his father's house having nothing to do and is trying to figure out how he can make money for himself, this video is for you. All I want is you to watch this video from the beginning to the end and follow all the steps that I'm going to mention in this video. For those of you guys who don't know me, my name is TA, and I've given myself a mission of discovering different methods of making money online and share them with you guys so that you can copy from me. And I will also share with you guys what didn't work for me so that you will avoid wasting your time trying those methods which doesn't even worth it. This method is called digital marketing, and you have probably heard it from different gurus making it complicated for you guys to the point that you was feeling it's not for you, it's meant for other people from those first world countries. But it's simple, this can be done by everyone. And the first step is going to head to this website that is called Gumroad.com. I want you to note it somewhere, Gumroad.com. So this is the first step. Going to head to Gumroad.com and then sign up with Gumroad.com. Create an account there, create your store. Those who don't know Gumroad.com, Gumroad is a website that can help you to sell digital product from maybe a PDF, Canva template, an ebook. Any sort of digital product can be sold on Gumroad. After creating an account on Gumroad, going to create your digital product. And to create your digital product, you're going to use Canva and ChatGTP. So Canva will help you to design your product. You can design the front page of your product, of your PDF document. And now the content for your PDF document will be generated by using ChatGTP. Here we are going to use an example of South Africa. So somebody from South Africa wants to start making money online using digital marketing. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Let's expect that we are targeting tourists who are going to visit South Africa. So we're going to create a digital product that will be showcasing the beauty of South Africa, different beautiful places for tourists to visit in South Africa, different hotels where they can stay, all those touristic attractions in South Africa. That's what we will put in our PDF document. And to make that, we use ChatGTP to generate the content of our PDF document. Now, after creating your PDF document, you're going to download it from Canva and head to Gumroad store and upload it there. After uploading your product on Gumroad, you're gonna put it at between $10 and $20, something between that. Now, you've created your store and you have a product already on your store. The next step is marketing. So we're gonna try to bring people to our store so that they can buy from us, so that they can pay for our digital product. How are we going to do that? We're gonna use Instagram. Instagram is a free marketing tool that can be used by everyone. A brand new Instagram page that is only dedicated to post beautiful places in South Africa or those beautiful hotels in South Africa. Those things that can be interesting to tourists who are planning to visit South Africa. And we're gonna take the link from your Gumroad store and put it in your Instagram bio. Now, you're gonna create different content and your goal is to take people from your Instagram and then is to take people from Instagram to your Gumroad store. And as you know, when somebody's scrolling, watching reels on Instagram, it's gonna be hard for him or her to go back and click on that link in your bio. All what you have to do is to use this website that is called LinkDM. You have probably heard people saying comment a certain word, or like comment a certain word on his Instagram post so that he or she can send you the link that will show you a step-by-step guide of how to start a certain stuff. You have probably had people saying comment link and then I send to you a step-by-step guide of how to get started, or they could probably say comment learn and then I send you a link of how you can learn certain stuff. So they're using this website that is called LinkDM. LinkDM is a website that can help you to link your comment section on Instagram to your online store. So you're trying to sell a certain product on your online store, but because you don't want people to avoid going to your bio, you're trying to use comment section to send them links that can take them to your store. On this LinkedIn website, you're gonna create an account and then you can use certain word so that whoever comment that word on your post, he will be sent a link that will be taking him to your store. Now, you'll be creating content every day, videos every day, post every day, everything beautiful about South Africa. Post it on your page and try to make people comment a certain word, and then LinkedIn will send them a link to your website. Now, somebody from the US or from the UK who is planning to visit South Africa, he is willing to pay $20 for that product. As long as he knows nothing about South Africa, he needs something that can guide him in South Africa. And imagine if you are getting maybe 20 sales per day or 10 sales per day, that is $100 daily money, and from internet. Not complicated, you have invested nothing. The other thing is that with your Instagram page, you can create more other businesses around your page. Many hotels will start approaching you, asking you to work with them. Those tour guide companies will start asking you to work with them. You can also offer this service of becoming a tour guide. Somebody's from the US and he needs somebody to take him around Johannesburg or take him around those big cities in South Africa. You will be offering that service of taking him around, and will be charging about 50 to maybe $100 per trip. Don't think it will be hard for you to get people. You'll be getting like 2 tourists per day, because I know somebody who is doing this. And after creating your Instagram store, you can even head on TikTok and create the same content. Start creating the same content, trying to take people from TikTok to your Gumroad store. And I promise you, if you do this consistently, guys, because consistency is a key. Many people will try this and then after posting maybe 5 posts and they're not getting views, they will give up. But I can tell you, whatever business you're planning to start online, if you're not consistent, you will hardly succeed. So that's why you have to be consistent and post every day, post content every day. You can also start a YouTube channel that will help you to promote your store to more audiences, and your target are those tourists from Europe, from the US, from Canada, because they're the one who are willing to pay $20 for that digital product. Guys, I've used this method and I've earned money from this method. So if you're somebody who is trying to start making money online, you can copy this method and start making money for yourself. So guys, in case you are interested in watching more of this kind of videos, I want you to smash on the subscribe button and tell me what you think about this video. I would also be happy if you click on that like button so that this video will be recommended to more viewers. In case you want to make money online, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Ciao.